So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from this, like literally this, to this. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my channel HungryZeen. This is your girl Zeen, and I'm back after a very long time. And I think I'm saying this for a long time. There's no lighting setup too because I wanted as much as natural light for this video as possible because you know what is most visible in natural light? It's your facial hair. So we're not going to talk about facial hair today. It's about the eyebrows, and I always had very thick eyebrows. Now these are not fully grown. I have waited 2 months for this to grow, but still it's in the growing phase, so they might grow more. So it's been 2 months that I've stopped threading, plucking, waxing my brows. Okay, the reason being, I didn't know before this that we are forbidden, like as Muslims, we're forbidden to kind of pluck, thread and wax your eyebrows. And I didn't know that, and it's up to you to believe it or not. I'm not forcing this on you, but I just got to know, and I was like, okay, so let's try being nice and let's try not plucking, waxing, threading it. Now I'm going to show you a zoom in, which I'm not very comfortable with, but yes, I'm going to show you a zoom in of my brows. This is a zoomed in version of my brows, and yes, they grow weirdly. You can see, and the ear, you can see there's so much here, there's so much. Let's say move here. And these are not in the fully grown stage. Now we are allowed to pluck the unibrow, which I have, or thread or wax it, because that is not considered a part of your eyebrow as it is. So yes, I can do something about this. And then this part, we cannot pluck any of these extras. So what I'm going to do is just bleach around the extras, and we're going to do that in this video. As uncomfortable I am bleaching here, I'm going to do it just to share some knowledge of how we can have or maintain your eyebrows in the right way. Yeah. What you're going to need is a hair bleach. I'm using Jolin because I think my hair is so dark and only this one works on it. Others are very mild and they do not work on my hair. Just to be clear, I haven't bleached my face in the past 4 years or more. Around 4 years. So let's hope this goes well. You need a scissor just to cut off the excess hair, which I'll show you where it is, a brush to apply the bleach on your hair, or you can even use a cotton bud. I'll get a cotton bud too. And a brush, an eyebrow brush. You know, when you show it on your face, it's more visible. Yeah. An eyebrow brush to just make sure where exactly is the boundary of your eyebrow. Yeah. So this is all we're going to need. And first I'm not going to plug this because then it will burn later when I bleach the area around it. So first I'm going to bleach, and then after that I'm going to plug the center, and I'll try to show you that too. So for bleaching, just go ahead and read the instructions. You people are educated enough, so just read the instructions. Sounds delicious. My bleaching cream came with this kind of a dish, which is not a dish, it's just like a, God knows what. And a spoon like this with which you have to measure. Now I'll just give you one tip about the bleaching creams, that you have to mix it that well that it starts looking like whipped cream when you do this. Ow! I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and start brushing my hair so that I get an idea about where are the boundaries. Or first we can just cut it too. This. And I'm not going to change the shape or do anything stupid to my eyebrows now. Only by cutting you can see that they're already maintained. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the cutting is done. I'm just going to take my brush again and just get them back into shape. Like get them back on their position so that you can just see the extras now. Okay, careful guys, do not let it drop in your eye. That's going to be the worst thing you can do to yourself. So you have to be very careful of where you're applying it. Be something which has more hair. So I'm just going with the natural line of the eyebrow, just going above it. Now that I look funny and you're enjoying it, you're gonna wait for around maybe 15 to 20 minutes for it to change color, or maybe it might take more because I have like jet black eyebrow hair. So let's wait and watch. So it's been like 20 minutes exactly, and I can see that the hair has become a little lighter. Maybe I'll clean it, but I'm gonna clean it now and reapply. So finally it's another 10 minutes of bleaching the eyebrows, and let's now clean it up. So this is exactly how clean my eyebrow looks, with nothing but just bleaching it. That's it. Just bleaching my eyebrows and it's clean. You can still see a little bit of hair which is not ready to get bleached. Some stubborn black hair. But no, I don't think so. I can do anything more for than this to maintain it. So yeah, and I'm gonna just fill in my brows because here something has to be grown to show you how the perfect look can be achieved by just bleaching them the halal way, you know. So let me just fill in and I'll be right back. So yeah, I have filled my eyebrows in a bit because you know already they're so dark. So I just filled in here where there is a little bit of growth still there, and yeah, so I have the perfect brows, and I never could imagine it could be done without really plucking, and I'm so happy about it. This is the finished eyebrow. So I don't fill much because I want it to look like a little natural. So it's just that wherever there is any kind of inconsistency, I'll just fill that gap in. That's it. Nothing more than that. That's pretty much it. Like literally so happy to see it. Yeah. So I literally waited for 2 months, and I finally, when I can see that it's so easy, simple. Yeah, it is. It takes time because it took me 30 minutes, and then the mixing and all, like it took me 40 minutes overall to get this look of this eyebrow. But then you can just apply it and do your other stuff, so it's not totally that time consuming too because you can multitask. But yeah, like again, and just zoom out a bit because I know you're getting scared. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, click on the like button, and yeah, please motivate me to post more videos which are actually helpful. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. I am shook. Like literally shook. Yeah, there is one crooked hair here.